All right, so how do you set up your voicemail on Google Pixel phones? There's two ways to do this, and how you do it depends on your carrier. First, let's go to the phone app. You might have it on the home screen, but if you don't, swipe up to go to the app drawer, and then find the phone app there. Once you're in the phone app, look to the bottom and see if you have a voicemail tab on the bottom right. I don't have that on my phone, but if your carrier supports visual voicemail, you'll see a voicemail button on the bottom right, and you can go there and choose Set up voicemail or Get started, and then follow on the on-screen instructions. If your carrier does not support visual voicemail like mine doesn't, we're just going to set up voicemail the old school way. Go to the keypad and then long press the number 1 button. This connects you to your carrier's voicemail server and walks you through the process. You'll just listen to the prompts and set up your voicemail, record your greeting, and all that stuff. One thing to note is that some budget carriers require you to manually turn on visual voicemail in their own app before it shows up in the Google Phone app. So, if your carrier has their own app, check those settings and see if there's a way to enable visual voicemail. And that's how you set up voicemail on your Pixel phone. Click that like button if this helped you, and subscribe for more quick and easy guides like this. Thanks all, until next time.